What?
Oh no.
I think he is lost from his mother.
Hey!
Hey, what happened? I think he was lost from your mother. Am I right? Remember it well, baby cow. Never forget the way again.
Thank you, Mr. Gorilla. I will definitely mark which road.
Good.
Cow is sitting down in a sad mood for her baby. A monkey wanders in the forest. The cow turns into a zombie.
Oh my god!
Zombie cow is attacked on high-owned friends.
Oh shit!
Hey, you!
Shit. I will teach you a lesson today.
Hey! What? What?
Oh my god!
I'm so sorry, Mr. Gorilla. Please help me.
Don't worry, I have an idea. Follow me. Hey you, come on, I'm here.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.